Hey everyone, it's Denise with Wondubar Crafts. Sorry, I have not been online for a while. I think a lot of you guys know kind of what's been going on. So I apologize that it's been a very long time since I've done a video. Today I wanted to share some happy mail that I got from my friend Tammy at MyWorldinOKC. And thank everyone who has sent me beautiful cards and well wishes and condolences and that. So thank you. I appreciate it. I feel weird doing a video because I haven't done one in a while. So apologize if I kind of fumble around a little bit. So before I open this, I just kind of wanted to let you guys know I've got some stuff kind of going on still. And I don't want to say what until I know for sure. So, and then when I do, I'll share that news with you guys. As far as doing journals and stuff right now, I've got so much. It's like I have a whole Thanksgiving feast full of plates that I'm still trying to clear off, so that I can focus on what I want to focus on. Because my creativity right now is just shot. I can't, I get a good idea and then I just can't finish formulating it because I've got so much going on. So everything is back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. But anyway, let's get back to this. This is from Tammy and MyWorldinOKC. And today, she is having a live sale on her channel at MyWorldinOKC. And I will link it below if you want to go check it out. I think it starts at 2 p.m. Central Time. She's got all kinds of goodies. If you're looking for, I think she's got books and ribbons and linens and laces and buttons, and she's got all kinds of stuff. Let's see, what has she sent me in here? Oh, it's a box inside of a box. Okay. Did she take this too? Oh, okay. Oh, she sent me a beautiful little card. So let's open the card. She's such a sweetheart. Like, she knows I like pink. Thank you, Tammy. That's so cute. She says, Denise, enjoy my sweet friend. Thinking of you. Love you, Tammy. OKC. Thank you, Tammy. She's such a sweetheart. She sent me, I couldn't find canning lids to save my life around here. Everybody is canning now. So, and she managed to find me a few for me. So that was so sweet. I like that doily. Is that like, trying to figure out the pattern on it. Is it like carrots or, oh, rosettes and little roses and stuff. Pretty. Oh, I like that. I like this one too. Not pretty. And then she sent me some wallpaper samples. And I know these are some of the things I think she's going to have a live sale on today as well. So, like I said, head on over. If you've never done a live sale, they're pretty fun. She'll have like different, either pre-packaged or pre-made up like bundles and you bid on them, or she'll say, okay, I've got so many of these and, first ones to bid on it, that kind of thing. So she's very reasonable. Oh, I like this hanky. They're pretty. Oh, yeah, it's been crazy. I mean, oh, look at that. It's like, I don't know if this is like part of a bed sheet or pillowcase maybe. But I've just had so much crazy stuff. I'm trying to work with my sister out of state to help her because she's handling the majority of my dad's estate. So for those of you who may not know, I lost my mom like just barely, a little over a year ago. And then we just lost our dad in May to COVID. So, you know, and he lived up in New Hampshire where my sister is. Oh, I like this. That is so pretty. Look at that. It's all raised up. And so she has not done one. am still have not closed out my mom's estate. It's crazy. But, ooh, I like these. Oh, those are pretty. Thank you, Tammy. These are cute. I don't know if I would have wanted to let those go. That's so sweet. She sent me 2 of them. Thank you. But Missouri, you know, every state is different in how they do those kind of things. So I'm trying to help her out as much as possible because she still works full time. So, and we're trying to get it finished up and closed up because like our mom's, it's taken forever. It really is. So it's sitting there waiting, and everything is, you know, falling behind, and it takes longer because of COVID. So, but I like this trim. I know she's got some trim like this. It's like with the wire, like the ribbon with the wire. And this is really great stuff to like do bindings with, or even closures. Awesome. Or even tops of tags. Look at this. She just stuffed all these doilies in here. Thank you, my sweet friend. That's so sweet. Everybody has been just so gracious with me, and I feel horrible that I have not done a video for you guys in a long while. And I feel so bad. You have no idea, but I have got so much that I'm trying to do. I mean, there are days when I just am like, really? How am I going to get through the day? I got too much stuff. We need to add a few hours to the day. Oh, she knows I like washi tape. I love the washi. Oh, I like that one. It's got birds on it too. Owls and birds. And then she's got one here. It's got like unicorns on it. And then this one has love. And this one's got pineapples and cactuses and watermelons. And that's another thing too, you know, I've been trying to get some canning done. So I got my jams done, and, you know, so I'm trying to fit time in between there so that I have my stuff canned for the winter. I didn't do a garden this year, mainly because when COVID was going on, you couldn't get seeds. They wouldn't let you buy them in the store here. I think somebody said you could down at one of the Tractor Supply places, but by the time you got there, they were gone. So it's kind of like the canning jars now that everything is coming in and they're harvesting. Canning jars are like, you know, I have a bunch of canning jars, so I just reuse them. I just need new lids. What is this? It says, oh, where are my glasses? Oh, it says thank you. They're little rose. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. But they're like little roses or little flowers here, and then it says thank you. Thank you. Okay, I don't know what this is. It's heavy. And she wrapped it in pink paper. Oh, Tammy. So we were talking on the phone, and she said, oh my gosh, if you got an Aldi's, you need to go get some of this everything bagel season. And I said, okay, I'll try. So they had none. I mean, our Aldi's is normally pretty good about stocking stuff, but the spices and stuff have been limited. She sent me some. She said it is awesome on everything. She said, just sprinkle a little bit on everything. I was like, okay, well, maybe I'll put some in my bread, like on the top of my bread or something. I don't know, when I make my bread. Thank you. You're such a goofball, she said to me. She's a sweetheart, though. And then, oh, a little clipboard with a notepad. Oh, and it's magnetized. I can stick it on my refrigerator. for everything I need to do, because gosh, you guys, I keep telling myself I need to make myself a planner. I need to make myself a little planner. I need to do something, because I'm gonna leave that out, take that downstairs. And because I'm like, my other planner is just full. It's not even really a planner. It's like a little tiny, notebook. Just the stuff that I have to do and the phone calls I have to make. And, people are like, well, I don't, my mother, okay, was a British citizen. So we still have to deal with the stuff like getting her passport turned in and all that stuff from over there. And of course, many of you may have already known we were supposed to go to Scotland. So that trip got canceled. So I've been trying to get reimbursement from the airlines, which I finally did. Thank you. Delta was very accommodating from our Airbnb, which that one scared me the most because of all the stuff that I had heard about online. But they were very, very, I got to tell you guys, they were awesome. It was a little bit sticky with trying to get back the flight insurance, but we finally got that worked out. And so, we had to cancel that trip. And then we thought, well, maybe we'll try and go next May. And yeah, travel bans everywhere. We don't know when that's going to happen. So, but like I said, I've been working something else also on top of all this other stuff. And I don't want to say until it either happens or it doesn't happen. So, and that's kind of exciting, and scary at the same time. But, so things are going to be hectic for a little while still. If I get a chance to get up here, I will try and do something. I'm kind of one of those people that I don't want to start a project and then do a video and then set it aside. And then it's another month or two before I can get up here, because then I feel like, okay, where did I leave off? Where did, and if you guys are trying to follow along or do something similar, it's frustrating because now you got to set it aside. I would much rather be able to dedicate the time to do, all the videos. I want to say thank you guys. You guys have been so patient and so loving. Thank you. Trust me, it's helped me keep going. You think you're a big girl and you think you can handle all these things. And I mean, I certainly can, but it's been difficult because, losing two parents within a year of each other, that's hard, because at least if one wasn't available, you could talk to the other. And now, after my mom passed, I talked a lot to my dad, and now I don't have that anymore. So it's hard. And, a lot of times, you want to call your folks and ask for advice, or what do you think I should do? Or what do you think? And they will either have the advice or they won't. So it's hard. But I appreciate you guys hanging out, just hanging strong with me. Go out there, and there's so many. Lori Edwards she's been booming on her channel. If you've got a chance to go check her out, she's also on Facebook. So a shout out to the Loris. And thank you, Nora. I got your message. Thank you. I love you. Mwah. I love you. Love you. Amy, you've been the bomb and so patient, and so has Allie. I'm on both of their design teams, and they know what's going on. And I have not developed or designed anything for my own design team either. Everything's just been kind of shoved off to the side. And I'm sorry, I'm rambling. I know you guys didn't want to watch this and hear me ramble, so I apologize to shut it off if it's annoying you. But I do want to thank you guys. I really do, for hanging out, and I love you guys so much for that. I really, really do. But do go check out Tammy. Tammy's been extremely supportive with me. She's, we kind of talk a couple times a week on the phone. She's been extremely supportive with me, very you know, giving me some good advice. And she just has been such a great, she just let me vent sometimes when I've just been upset, you know. So I love you, Tammy, for that. I appreciate it. Go and check her out. Like I said, she's got a live sale at 2 o'clock on her YouTube channel, and I'll leave the link below. You might see me pop in for a little bit. I've got some other things, phone calls I'm trying to make and get some other stuff taken care of and tied off. But I might try and pop in on my phone or something and just say, hey, guys, you know. But anyways, go and check her out. Thanks, guys, for hanging out. Thanks for tuning in. I love you guys. I promise I will try and be back as soon as possible. I love you all. Plenty hugs, loves, and blessings. Bye-bye.